enjoy Saturday. I play tennis in the morning
And okay, what did you do?
and
Okay, choose the word from the cloud. Choose the word from here.
watch and sound.
Okay, let's see if you have answered watch. Very good. Watch a DVD in the afternoon. Okay, continue. In the evening,
In the evening, our dog
our dog. Okay, what? Okay, we are done with the word watch. So it's done. Okay, choose your word from here. Our dog
jumped.
jumped. Okay, let's see. Very good. Jumped. Okay, we are done with jumped. Okay, continue. In the evening, our dog jumped in. Okay, done with the jump. Okay, what's next?
In some water that that
We are done with watch and jumped. What do you think? Dad, don't do that. But it was funny. Okay, what's the word after the dad? Hmm, you have answered the two already, the watched and the jumped. And you are doing really good. Okay, I know you can answer this one. Dad, blank, don't do that. Like that. So dad,
shout.
shouted.
No.
It's shouted.
Yes, shout.
Okay. Dad shouted. Okay. Can you shout this one?
Việt Nam là Philippines. Philippines đối đá bóng với Việt Nam. Teacher,
Yes.
Vietnam is playing football with Philippines.
Oh, today?
Yeah.
Oh. And
My
who?
my my grandma talked to the jungle brother that the Vietnam is playing football with with
Philippines.
Philippines.
Wow. And is it done or who is the winner?
I don't know that.
Do you like watching football?
Not.
I haven't watched the game too. I don't know who won this time. I only know last time because there was also
What
a
is
game.
Philippines or Vietnam?
Philippines.